With the ZoneIn training, we wanted to create a session using practical and theoretical examples of how you can work safely around items of plant, whilst also bringing in real-life scenarios to reinforce the importance of this issue.
The majority of our accidents are in the plant-person interface, and unfortunately we're not learning. It's something that we've had incidents in. It's a huge section and people just don't stand a chance against plant.
The first part of my career with Balfour Beatty was being out there next to machines, not really realising at the time how dangerous it was where you were stood. Obviously with the scenarios I'm going to show you in the DVD, I'm hoping people can think of different ways to stay in the safe zone.
There are two different issues that we suffer from. There's complacency from the individuals who work around plant all day, every day, but for the people who aren't out with the plant all day, we suffer from a lack of knowledge. So it was important that our training captured both groups of individuals and improved training awareness for those people working alongside and even visiting items of plant.
We've tried to take situations from site, make it relevant, so that when they're coming in, they're not just getting lectured, told what to do. We make it relevant so they know what they're doing, and when they go out there, they can then make the difference.
We need to look at how we can actually implement changes to our safe systems of work in terms of how we go about it on site and make sure that we build them in to our culture and embed them as part of our behaviour every day on site. There are different systems on the market, this being one of them. This is a proximity warning system which can be used as part of a safe system of work, and this transmitter will speak to a receiver in the machine and alert the machine driver if somebody has entered a preset radius of the machine itself. We're looking at how to implement these on the M4, M5 project, but as with any safe system of work, it has to be carefully brought in. There's no point bringing an item of technology in if it's not been carefully built into the existing safe systems of work. In particular, the gate system. We need to control who goes into a working area. So we need to make sure we think very carefully about who gets issued to these and the control measures that are in place. As with everything we've talked about today, it is part of a safe system of work. There is no one single item that will magically improve plant-person interface. We start with behaviour. We use items like this. We have training sessions like this. We also use cards and risk assessments and method statements, and we build in detailed drawings and explain what plant working zones are, all part of a safe system of work. So let's have a look. Let's see how this could have actually made a change to the incident that we've just seen.
All right, Chris, got the warning system on?
Yep.
Do the test. Let's go, Larry. Let's get up.
My alarm's going off, mate. Somebody in the zone.
It's a bloody engineer in here again. What are you doing?
It can be part of a safe system of work. When it's woven in with the existing controls that we use, how do we keep people out of the areas to begin with? How do we brief the individuals who may need to work in an area?